Are you a Catholic lay minister or volunteer and you're the holiest and smartest person on your team? Yeah, that's gotta change. For the sake of the mission, you need to go recruit a team of people who are holy, smart, and talented. And here are 6 oversimplified ways to make that happen. 1, go pray that God would call people and send them to the mission. 2, ask yourself the question, why would such talented people even want to join the mission? What could possibly motivate them? 3, re-strategize as necessary and then go start recruiting. 4, remember, statistically, most people will say no when you ask them to help. Resolve to be persistent and don't give up. 5, your existing team members are one of your most valuable resources. What can you do in order to help them grow in holiness and in the ministry skill sets that they need? And 6, don't forget to always remind your team that they are awesome and that God is already working through them to change lives and change eternities. Remember, for the sake of the mission, you need to build and form a team of people who are holy and smart and talented. Go start today. In the meantime, speak truth, live love, be Catholic.